Welcome to your Gaggenau fully automatic espresso machine. Its continuous flow heater means no waiting time and consistent brewing temperatures. Featuring 12 beverage options: coffee, espresso, ristretto, americano, cafe latte, cappuccino, espresso macchiato, latte macchiato, flat white, warm milk, milk froth, hot water. Everything is controlled by two simple selectors. The left controls the function while the right is used to select a desired beverage. Place a cup under the dispenser. Each drink has customizable options that allow you to make it your own size, strength, temperature. Confirm your settings. To save your custom drink, turn the left selector to one of the 8 available positions, name your beverage and press save. For freshly ground beans, pull the bean drawer out, remove the lid and fill the container with beans. For decaf coffee or flavored coffee, please ground coffee in the single-serve drawer. Load your preferred milk or milk alternative in the insulated milk container and insert the hose. After daily use, remove and empty the grounds container. If the milk container was used, run the 1-minute milk cleaning program. To clean and descale the espresso machine on a regular basis, follow the intuitive prompts. Select the cleaning cycle. The machine will guide you through removing key interior components and inserting the appropriate cleaning or descaling agents. Press start. The combined service program will last for 26 minutes. It's important to regularly rinse the brewing unit. The Gaggenau 400 series espresso machine. The difference is Gaggenau.